All we have left now is the top side and the silver side. All I do to remove the top side is make a slice up the top in between the two seams. Following all the way down to remove the top side. First of all, I must remove the H-bone. This is done by carefully following hard along the bone . Just using the point of your knife. Then trim around the edges of the top side, removing any excess. And once you've done this, you will reveal the seam in between the cap and the top side. Follow along that seam to remove the cap, all the way around the primal. Trim off any remaining fat. I've trimmed the cap off, and there's your cap off top side.